Do you know something called Mind Valley?
Yeah.
There's a gentleman called
I'm a student of Mind Valley.
Vishen. You know Vishen Lakiani?
Yeah.
Vishen, in one, allow me to give you that, to give you his masterclass. He talks about the Buddha and the Buddhas, right? Most times we focus on the Buddhas so much, and yet we need to listen to the Buddha so many times that when we make a mistake on using the Buddhas, it's the Buddha that wakes us up and says, hey, by the way, I made this mistake. It's after we've made mistakes, we've spent so much money, we've made so many, that the Buddha then comes in and gives you enlightenment. You know Vishen's story. He got into a divorce, his parents' house got burned, everything was going wrong for him, his partner stole his money, and yet he sat down and said, let me create something that speaks to the world, rather than creating a course that looks similar to what other people did.
Yeah.
And right now he's a world-renowned, author of the Mind Valley. So it's the same concept. Inner child.